Stop scrolling. Look at this drone. It is tiny. It is a technological miracle. And if you are watching this in the United States, DJI does not want you to have it. This is the DJI Neo 2. It is a pocket-sized powerhouse that has just quietly been released across the globe, in Europe, in Asia, in Canada. But here, in the US, it is nowhere to be found on official shelves. They won't even let you click the Buy button. Why? The answer involves politics, security concerns, and a looming shadow over the entire drone industry. But before we talk about the crisis, we need to talk about the product. Because what DJI has built here is the single greatest leap in the ultra-compact drone category. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are talking 4K at 100 frames per second, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and a price tag that demolishes the competition. In this video, we're going to break down every incredible spec you are missing out on. We'll reveal why this drone is being held back. And most importantly, we will tell you the one, highly risky, secret loophole to get this groundbreaking piece of technology into your hands right now. If you want the future of vlogging and travel videography, you need to listen until the very last second. The specs that justify the obsession: mini drone, maxi power. Let's establish why this thing is worth the international drama. The original Neo was cute, but the Neo 2 is a professional tool disguised as a travel toy. The biggest upgrade: the camera. We're confirmed to have a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the same size as the revered Mini 4 Pro, but now capable of shooting 4K video at a breathtaking 100 frames per second. 100! In a drone that weighs just 151 grams. Think about the cinematic slow motion you can achieve. The kind of buttery-smooth footage that used to require a much larger, more expensive, and registration-required aircraft. This tiny drone just handed every vlogger and travel creator a professional edge they didn't have to study for. It also boasts a 2-axis gimbal combined with rocksteady EIS. This combination delivers footage that is impossibly stable, even in the higher winds it is rated to handle. The image quality is clean, sharp, and, crucially, features a wider field of view than its predecessor, making it the perfect personal videographer. This camera system alone makes the $259 price feel like highway robbery. The intelligence leap: omnidirectional, inside and out. This is where the Neo 2 officially kills the concept of a beginner drone. We are confirmed to have omnidirectional obstacle sensing. That's 360-degree protection using a combination of vision sensors, LiDAR, and infrared technology. On a 151-gram drone. Let that sink in. This means you can fly it through a forest, through a doorway, or around people at a family gathering, and the drone is constantly aware of its surroundings, braking or diverting to prevent a crash. This isn't just safety, it's creative confidence. It frees you to fly closer, lower, and more dynamically than ever before. And the tracking. It features active track with an 8-directional tracking system, allowing it to follow a subject at speeds up to 12 meters per second. This turns the Neo 2 into your personal, autonomous flying cameraman. You can launch it from your palm, use gesture control, and it will track you flawlessly without a complicated setup. The Neo 2 is not just flying, it's thinking. The storage secret and flight time boost. We have two critical, smaller upgrades that are massive for real-world use. First, the storage. The Neo 2 comes with a huge 49 gigabytes of internal storage. That's enough to save over an hour and a half of 4K per 60 frames per second video, giving you an essential buffer when you forget your microSD card or need to quickly transfer large files via the rapid Wi-Fi connection. Second, the flight time. The original Neo was fine, but the Neo 2 is confirmed to push up to 19 minutes of maximum flight time. This is achieved through a more efficient battery and motor design. While 19 minutes might not sound like much, for a palm-sized drone designed for quick, spontaneous shots, it's a world of difference. It's the difference between capturing the sunset and landing halfway through the money shot. The Neo 2 is optimized for the speed and spontaneity of the modern creator. The crisis: why the USA cannot buy it. Now, we address the elephant in the air. Why is this technological marvel not on US shelves? The official statement from DJI is vague, optimizing our strategy to best serve our customers amidst evolving local conditions. But the truth is far more complex and troubling. It revolves around the increasing security scrutiny from U.S. regulators regarding Chinese-made drones. There are confirmed reports of a looming legislative ban that would affect all DJI products with wireless components, which is, effectively, all of them. DJI's decision to launch the Neo 2 globally but exclude the US is not a simple marketing choice. It's a strategic move that acknowledges this political reality. They are launching their product where they can, knowing the US market is currently hostile. This drone, therefore, becomes a symbol of the growing technology divide. It's not just a product launch, it's a political footnote. This unavailability fundamentally changes the buying decision for every US creator. It means no official DJI warranty, no local service support, and most critically, no DJI Care refresh. This is the highest risk you take when pursuing the Neo 2. You buy it, you break it, you own the loss. The loophole: how to get the Neo 2 in the USA. So, if the specs are this good, and the price is this low, and you are willing to take the risk, what is the loophole? How do you get your hands on a Neo 2 in the United States? The answer is the gray market. You have two primary, risky options. Option 1. Import from a friendly country like Canada or the UK. You'll pay the US equivalent of the $259 solo bundle or the $449 Fly More combo, plus potentially exorbitant shipping and import duties. You'll rely on international resellers and pray the drone makes it through customs without issue. Option 2. Seek out third-party US resellers who have legally imported large quantities themselves, likely selling at a significant markup, perhaps $350 for the solo bundle. Both options come with the same critical caveat: zero official DJI US support. However, for the dedicated content creator, for the person who sees the 4K per 100 frames per second and the omnidirectional sensing as an essential competitive advantage, the risk may be worth the reward. But understand this: buying the Neo 2 in the US right now is not a simple purchase. It's a committed act of technological rebellion. The DJI Neo 2 is the best compact drone ever made, and its specs prove it. But the fact that it is being deliberately kept out of the US market makes it the most controversial. This drone represents the future of easy, intelligent, and high-quality aerial cinematography, packed into a pocket. The choice is yours. Play it safe and wait for the next US available drone, or take the plunge into the gray market and gain the advantage of this technological leap now. 3-inch CMOS sensor. The same size as the revered Mini 4 Pro, but now capable of shooting 4K video at a breathtaking 100 frames per second. 100. In a drone that weighs just 151 grams. Think about the cinematic slow motion you can achieve. The kind of buttery smooth footage that used to require a much larger, more expensive, and registration-required aircraft. This tiny drone just handed every vlogger and travel creator a professional edge they didn't have to study for. It also boasts a 2-axis gimbal combined with rocksteady EIS. This combination delivers footage that is impossibly stable, even in the higher winds it is rated to handle.